Hello YouTube and welcome Diecast enthusiasts everywhere. As you can see, today's letter is J for Johnny Lightning. Now what I'm going to be doing now is a live unboxing. I've had some of these boxes for a little while. I'm lacking a bit of space in the cabinet and on my racks. So consequently some of the boxes do get put aside for a while until such time as I can make some space. So I thought I would take this opportunity to do some unboxing now. I must admit, when I've seen some of the other YouTubers such as Champion DJ I love the live unboxing episodes that he does. Of course he opens them for his good friend Diecast in Romania and then sends them on to him. But being that I enjoy his show so much, I thought I would do some unboxing here. Hopefully it's something you enjoy. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. Hopefully it hasn't been tampered with by anybody in between it leaving the factory and arriving to me. And all the cars are nice and fresh, certainly look good. I'm just going to take a car out at random. Let's see. A bit of tissue there, and the first car out of the box is the 1967 Plymouth GTX convertible. Nice looking car this, in bright red, as you can see, limited to 2,500, so they're keeping their numbers low. Now what I didn't mention from the box is it is the Muscle Car USA 2018 Release 4. So these are a little older obviously than current releases, but I haven't had these before, so you know, whatever's in the box, it's new to me, so I don't really know what to expect. Going back to the car, you can see the nice card art there. Turn it round. You've got the information of other cars in the sets, the normal card of a Johnny Lightning that we all know. Version A, as all these models will be. As I say, Release 4, owner Ray Dupuis. It's lovely, although they call it bright red, it's quite a deep red, but a very nice white interior there. Yeah, I can imagine going out in this on a bright summer's day. Opening bonnet, I can see. Nice detail. Right, let's move along to the second car. See what we've got. And here we have the 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 429 in pastel blue. Now to me that looks white, so it's very light. Yeah, now if that hadn't been printed as pastel blue I would have said that was white, but even so, a lovely model, which all the Mustangs tend to be. Quite a fan of the Mustang. Again limited to 2,500, which I assume the full box will be. Owners brothers John and Bruce Aronson. Yeah, smart black interior there. The normal card art that we've seen from the previous model. So it's all the same card art. It's muscle facts there. I won't read them out, it just takes too long unfortunately. But I can just show you a bit if you want to pause at any stage. So let's just go ahead now and open the third from the box. Let's see what we've got. More tissue. And here we have the 1967 Chevy Camaro Z28. And this one is in Royal Plum Poly. Now again, my eyes are playing tricks with me. I would have almost said it was brown, but it's not. If it says it's Royal Plum Poly, then that's what it is. As we've guessed, another 2500 limited edition. Owner, the Brothers Collection. Not too sure what that means. I don't really need to keep turning the card around because we know what it's going to look like. Again, some details there, muscle facts. Restored in 1989 to 90 by Bob Harris of Camaro Specialists. Nice model, of course, which we do expect. The detail on the Johnny Lightnings are really good these days, especially since they've come out of the round 2 factory along with Auto World and Racing Champions recently, which of course unfortunately isn't quite as nice, but I have got some which I will show in future videos. Right, let's see what's next out of the box. Oh, I like this one. The 1967 Pontiac GTO, owner Mike Mancini. In, well, there's no mistake with the colour, at least with this one. Tyrrell blue poly with a black roof. Nice all round, love the wheels, love the white text going around the tyres. Really nice model, one of, I would say one of my favourites so far from the pack or the box. Right, let's see, fifth one out. And here we have the 1972 Chevy Corvette, owner Mike Jackson. Oh, same colour. Targa blue poly. Oh no, sorry, the previous one was Tyrrell blue poly. Which this one, as I can see now, is darker. Nevertheless, a nice colour indeed. Nice detailing all round. Black interior. Some muscle facts there. And finally, let's see what's coming out of the box now. Oh, we've got a nice colour here. The 1971 Plymouth Cuda convertible, which we know, we can see that in Hemi Orange. Wow, very famous colouring. Do like the Hemi Orange. Muscle facts there. Again, black interior. Nice wheels. Nice detailing all round. Nice card art. Very nice indeed. Right, I think that concludes that box. Now I've got one more to open, which we'll do now. Get that, move that over there. Now this one is Muscle Cars USA again, but this time it's 2019, release 2, and inside the box will be version B's. So let's see where I put my knife. Buried it under some tissue. Carefully cut that open, not causing any damage inside. Right, now again I'm just going to take them out at random, see what we've got. Little tissue there, and here we have the 1967 Plymouth GTX convertible. Nice colour. Got a few more of these, limited to 4,000, light blue poly, some muscle facts there again, nice black interior, opening bonnet, some black striping there going down the bodywork, nice detail as usual. All round. Cars and Coffee. Yeah, we like that one. Let's see what's coming out second. Oh, I like this one. This is the 1963 Ford Galaxie 500. Again, Cars and Coffee, limited to 4,000. In peacock blue, some muscle facts there. Hopefully you can see that okay. Lovely card art, as I keep saying, but it really is nice. The rear, like we know, general information about releases. Cars and Coffee pays tribute to one of the newest car show trends gaining traction nationwide. Yeah, I like the colour indeed. Nice blue interior, opening hood again. Nice model. Let's see what's coming out next. Now barn finds. Now I particularly like the barn find cars. I haven't actually got that many, and also the project in progress cars. I really like those as well. Along with Diecast, who we mentioned earlier. I know he's got a huge collection of them. Dusty Hidden Rarities. Limited to 4,000 again in bright blue poly. Some crease in there to the card, but I don't mind about that. Some muscle facts. I really love the detail they put on these. A lot of work doing these barn finds and project in progress because of the different wheels they tend to put on and the body work, detailing with the rust and weathered look. But very nice model. I don't think I told you what it was, but it's the 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona, which is again one of my favourites. Lovely car, lovely car. Let's see what's coming out next. Oh, another barn find, and this time we've got the Chevy Corvette 1957. Some muscle facts there. Venetian red, a bit faded though of course because it's a barn find. White walled front tyre. Nice detailing, very nice. Yeah, as I said earlier, I do like these barn find cars, so that look great on display. Very pleased. We've got next. Got a bit more tissue there. This is a bit shinier. Going back to Cars and Coffee again, the 1962 Chevy Corvair in Roman red this time. Quite nice. Can't say I'm a lover of this particular casting, but it's been done well, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's got an opening boot lid there, but I like my muscle cars, so probably my least favourite so far from the box. And let's see what's finally in the box. Oh, another barn find. And this one we've got is the 1970 Plymouth Cuda in lemon twist. Some muscle facts there. Again, some faded paintwork there. Some rusty weathered bonnet. Looks really nice, this one. A lot of work, as I keep saying, going into these barn find cars. But I wish they'd done more. Hopefully they will in the future. So I think what we do is, we've got time, I'm gonna, I think, say that this one is my least favourite from the set that I said earlier. Although I like this car, don't get me wrong, now I'm getting a bit confused here because I've got the other cars mixed up from version A that we opened first with these that we're opening now. Right, so I think we're in some sort of order now. So I would say in order, in 5th place is the Plymouth GTX convertible. Again, it's difficult to say that it's 5th because I do like all of these. The Ford Galaxy 500 next. The Chevy Corvette barn find. And then it's a close one, I would say. Second, the Plymouth Cuda, and then star of the show for me is the Dodge Charger Daytona. I love a muscle car, so that would be my star of the show. From the previous box, let's see, I would say I'm not a huge Corvette fan, So I would say that one would be my least favourite from the box. This one, which they say is Royal Plum Poly but looks brown, the Chevy Camaro. Now I like the Mustang, as I did say, but I'm going to put that there in 4th position. I'm going to say the Plymouth Cuda convertible in 3rd. It's very tight between 2nd and 1st. I'm going to say the Plymouth GTX convertible 2nd. Star of the show, the Pontiac GTO in the blue. Yup, that's the one for me, the favourite of the set. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this live box opening. Now, there will be more box opening coming up soon. I've got others to do and from other manufacturers. So, if you enjoy box opening, by all means make a comment, let me know. If you don't, obviously let me know also, and we can carry on doing some more box opening in the future, which hopefully you won't get too bored of, or you know, who knows, I might run out of boxes eventually. But with a little luck, we'll do some more, along with some more general videos which we can both enjoy, me and you all that are looking in. So I'm going to say goodbye now. Stay safe, stay well, best of luck to everyone, and take care. Thank you for viewing. See you again soon.